Forster is slow but powerful character. Battling away enemies with shield slam guarantees you will enemy in safe range. Make sure you protect and serve against walls to prevent enemies from flanking you.
Which color are you gonna be? There's blue, red, yellow, and green.
I'm gonna be red.
Gotcha. I'm gonna be blue then. Skills. Oh, my fucking mouse keeps fucking up and it's messing with my UI. Okay. Yeah.
Time to enforce the law brutally.
Time to commit police brutality. Time to commit police whoopsie. Yeah, so you're super slow when you're shooting. Left trigger smacks your shield. That's a grenade launch that stuns. If you press your third ability, you go into like a hunkered down shielded mode and you have a slight higher rate of fire. But you can't turn around when you do that. Yeah. Don't forget to turn off that mode. Yeah, so you look at your back stuck. But yeah, this way we can just have our backs to each other. And just bitch slap enemies that are too close. I missed. You missed. Damn it, I jumped down. Oh, there's a jetpack. This boy definitely needs some rate of fire. I call the statue, you can get the fox. I mean, I guess we'll try to do it evenly, because if the scales tip too heavily in items, I'd like us both to get good items. Just pushes them off the way. You can get that. I have one item, you have one, I don't really care. You can get that one too.
Rapidly heal outside of danger. Nice. That's exactly what I need.
There's a healing drone. I think it's a healing drone. Remember, if you do your hunker down mode, you have a higher rate of fire. You just gotta remember you have it. Yeah. There you go.
Go for it.
Yay, healing. Oh, where's he gonna appear? I like that. That feels good. He's gonna remember you can't turn around when you're hunkered down.
It is a fight to see who will get the money.
I like it. Nice. I kind of wish it would heal both of us. Maybe it can. I don't know.
I think it does.
We aren't hurt. Well, now we're both hurt. You're gonna get healed first, of course. No?
Does it heal you?
Really. I mean, not right now, it's not. Let me get closer. No. That's unfortunate.
That's hella gay.
Oh well. Ooh, piggy bank. Gain gold over time. Can you imagine having 4 of these guys? Just a fucking force to be reckoned with. Damn, the fucking riot shield hit does a lot of damage if it crits. Excuse me. It's a shame he doesn't have a movement skill though.
You can get that.
I am dying.
Do you want the chest or the totem?
Totem. I mean, the totem, I like to split it even. How many items do you have?
I have 2.
I have
That
3.
after. I have 3 now.
Okay.
Enemies drop more gold.
This should drop 2 items. I'll take this, and you can take the next one. I'll buy it for you. Okay, I'll buy it for you again. There you go. Oh, nice. You can hit people with your shield twice now. huge.
I never went up, yeah.
There's nowhere to go. Here, I'll bring them to you so we can group up. Cover your grenade. Your grenade is AoE.
Yeah, I already used it. I was waiting on it. God, I love the music.
Oh, a bunch of them. Sucks that there's like a range limit for a shotgun. I mean, I guess it makes sense it's a shotgun, but still. I feel like you should just do less damage as it goes instead of just stopping.
I like it.
Yeah.
I like just hunkering down and...
It's gonna suck when we get a boss though, because he's not gonna get knocked
Oh,
back.
artifact.
Yeah, that's where it is. He just can't get to it, remember?
Yeah.
Not yet. If we can do a loop, we'll probably get enough items for a loop and have something. Wait, what the fuck? Boing, boing. Oh, I found the kill the little dudes thing down here.
Alright.
How many items do you have?
I have 4.
I now have 5. You can get the item that comes for this. Ready? Fight.
Yep.
Bastards. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, it's an equipment. It's the fear lantern thing.
You want me to pay for the next one?
That's fine, I have 500. These fucking jellies are annoying. I have 5, you have 5?
I have 4.
I have 4, okay, yeah.
Retaliate on taking heavy damage.
Oh, heavy? That was some fire damage. Back to back, let's go. The only problem is we're trying to remember that you're hunkered down so you can't turn around.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. This is great for him. This is great. This is very good. Okay, let's roll to the boss, I guess.
I guess that just means he's an elite.
The little icon beside their health bar, yeah, that means elites. The elites is what I call elementals, because they usually have an element. Actually, they all always have an element, I'm pretty sure. Fire, or they have the little green thing which makes them heal near their teammates, or heal their teammates. Oh, like that bastard. He's a healer. Oh, he just kept going up. Yeah, right there. Oh, well. Fuck it, we balled. Cuddy, come to the island. It's safe over here. Yes. Just smacked him off. You can get that, yeah. Can't remember what it does. It has something to do with the worms, I think. This works really well with the mushroom. Wait, I don't.
Well, the mushroom's not there. You have to be completely
Damn.
still.
If I
Yeah.
shoot, I'm technically moving if I shoot.
Yeah.
That's dumb.
It'd be great with the what's it called though?
Banner?
Yeah.
Yeah, that high rate of fire would be nice.
I like the pig.
yeah, he gets some passive money. I haven't noticed the drones taking much damage.
We've been killing everything pretty decently.
Yeah. I'm gonna kill the enemies down below. Oh, they just moved. Oh, they moved beside me. Sit over there. One left somewhere else. Oh, he's down below. I'll go get him and you can just press the thing. Crunch. He's a fire boy. He is lagging. Okay. Beautiful. Got all that XP. Level 10. This is where we stay. Back to back. Let's roll. I like how your movement speed doesn't like go down that much when you hook her up. So it does. In Restraint 1, I remember it going a lot slower. Oh, one of our drones is about to die. Damn it, I'm trying to time our smacks, but I keep fucking up with it. I wonder if my mushrooms heal the drones. It does. Aww.
Oh, shit, my bad.
It's fine. What does it do?
I didn't read it.
Rapidly heal outside combat. I have no money for it. Whoa. Get it.
Yeah.
Nothing. I am now poor.
I'll have it here in a second.
Holy shit! Did you see that guy just fly away? One of my items gives me a chance to have a heavy knockback. Alright, so god damn, this is a fucking stealing ass statue. Ooh, he's stealing. I love just pushing him off, it's great.
That's so funny. I love it.
I'm gonna go down here and kill it. Oh, never mind. I was gonna go down there and kill it once, so put her down there. Okay, now I'm gonna go kill these guys down here. Ones that we keep pushing off. You take a lot less damage when you put up your thing too. I'm gonna revive the drone.
I didn't even know one of them died.
I think it was mine. Or, oh, I forgot. It was actually yours because they're both following me now.
That's okay.
You can get that. No, I don't have one. That was last time. That's fine. Watch out, you're dying, Cuddy. Get to a safe spot so I can drop my thing. Here. I'll stop moving in a few seconds. Here, I'm gonna stop moving and stop shooting. Oh, I'm
There.
auto-shooting?
That's me. Sweet. I also got a healing drone, which isn't healing me anymore, but that's okay.
I think it's mine. Oh, never mind. You revived.
It died, and I revived it.
I'm gonna go up there to get, oh, there's equipment down here. I'm gonna get that instead. Drop and detonate 50% of your... What? Drop and detonate 50% of your money. Nah, I'm good.
Have your money gone.
I'm fine. You can keep that. I have it equipped, so I can't really do anything about it, but still.
Ooh.
Difficulty up. When we're not together, it is really dangerous for both of us, really, because I'm getting my ass eaten up here. Okay, I got the thing finally. I'm just jumping off the ledge, I don't care. I'm coming to you, where it's safe.
Come, brother.
The item was bleed chance. That's what I got. Okay, I'm gonna stop moving for a second. Keep it fully healed. I'm not liking my equipment item. I want to get a different one. I just fell through the map. Oh, did he open the thing? He opened the thing, Cody. Quick, get the artifact. Just walk to your left. Don't jump or anything. You'll just fall down. Yeah. Okay, let's heal for a second, because if we fall down, we're gonna take a lot of damage.
If we fall down, we're gonna die and respawn.
Yeah, well, we won't die. We'll have very little health, but we won't die. I think that's too far.
It is too far.
It's so close. Oh, you don't take fall damage when you respawn, but you do spawn right on top of the enemies. If you go right, you can fall back in the hole.
Yoink.
Wait, let's see, does anything knock you back when you shoot it? No. I was hoping you could use knockback from the gun to knock you back. It's gotta be. Surely they wouldn't make it impossible to do it with a normal jump, right? You're gonna die. I made the jump though. I didn't make the second jump.
Wait, I can fly. Ah, let me go down there. Let me go in the hole.
Or if it's gonna let you get it. It's gonna be funny if it lets you get it. Yeah. New artifact getting strat.
That's great. No. If only I could live and you could die. Oh, but now I gotta fight jellies in order to not die down here.
I got it, Cody.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, they gave me the achievement and everything.
I can't help you if I die to these guys.
I just wasted a lot of my money. Oh. Yeah, that item sucks. I just accidentally used it.
That was perfect. I'm happy that did that.
I'm actively getting my ass beat by these dudes. Yeah, if you're by yourself with this guy, you're basically dead without really good items. Unless I can block all their damage. Okay, it's not that bad. Oh, when you go in your armored mode, it like pushes it back a little bit. Weird.
You also block damage whenever you're in the armored mode.
Yeah, if they hit you on the side that you blocked up. You also get a little overshield of health as well. A little bit, not a lot.
I'm slowly killing some things for you. Oh, both of the drones are down if you can pick them up.
I am. But I am surviving. Block 2,000 damage total with your shield. I just got a challenge done with the Enforcer. Oh, I felt like a hole. Didn't actually see. Did this hole?
I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick while you do this.
Gotcha.
Hello.
Coming back. I almost died, but I kept shielding. I think he's fucking up my drones though. Okay, well, I died.
Oh, it's okay.
But I did unlock,
You got the
I think-
spite
oh, never
artifact.
mind. I thought it was a fucking item that I unlocked, or a skill I unlocked with the Enforcer, but it was just a random item. I'm doing the Enforcer again. I liked him. If we stick together, we're pretty fucking strong.
I'm gonna still be Master Chief,
Aw.
but I like it. Drizzle. We're on Rainstorm. We're on the medium.
Yeah, we're on normal
Difficulty.
difficulty. Yeah.
Oh, it's not showing my artifact.
Wonder if it, yeah, it doesn't show mine either. It's probably because I'm the host. Spite.
I have
camera's-
to reset. Oh no.
Yeah, I'll do it. It's fine. Here, let me start online co-op. Friends only. Artifact. Artifact new spite. Enemies explode on death. Yeah,
No.
we're not doing that.
Hmm?
It'll kill us, Cody. They explode on death. So if they're on top of you, you're dead.
Weak.
I mean, hey, let's go for it, but I'm gonna die instantly because I'm playing the Enforcer. But if that's what you want. Completely understandable you want me to die, Cody. I'm waiting for you to
Yeah.
die, by the way.
Not everyone die. Not everyone.
So yeah, artifacts on.
I
Plus,
mean,
I
we
don't
can
know.
go with it if you want.
I don't
Fuck you.
know if it affects the enemy or not. I'm gonna assume it does, but it probably affects everybody. We'll see. We shall see.
You want me to stick with you?
Get it if you want. Yeah, those bombs are what drops. It does not hurt the enemy. So do you want to keep going? Or you just want to reset?
Let's see how far we can get.
Oh boy. They fly everywhere too. It's not just they explode, they drop several bombs that go in all directions. Not good. The opposite of good. Excuse me. Where are enemies? Oh, red! So when you got equipment has a chance to have double effect. Kind of useless, to be honest. Wow, dead end, cool. Nothing there. No. Ooh, yes. Ooh, new item. Increase jump height and reduce gravity. Fuck yeah.
Form of missiles. Bitch.
There's 2 mountains. Double bosses, double loot. So now we should have
So
4
now-
bosses.
4 bosses?
Yes. If they're worms, it's fine. As long as you just, you know, catch them all in one spot, you're fine. I'm sending an enemy your way. Nice.
I don't even know what that is.
It's an
I like my missiles though.
Oh, okay. I don't have one, so I'll take it. Heal on use.
Nice.
Just super heals. Want that? Or you want the missiles?
Missiles.
I'm keeping healing.
Shit.
Damn, I can't make that jump. I can make that jump. How many items do you have?
I have one. I already have a mortar.
If you get multiple mortars, it just has, I think it either increases the
on the
damage or increases the likelihood. There's more
And
items down here.
It does have two. I'm gonna go up and check real quick.
There's three. Well, there's one item down here, but three choices. Two of them are the heal outside of combat, and one of them is the gain money over time.
Ooh.
So I'll leave it for you. To the bottom right, it's $34, 34 coins.
I got the pig.
Oh, cool. Yeah, that's what's down here. So I'm gonna grab it. So we both can have passive income.
Hurts nearby enemy. Barbed wire. I'm on the way down. There is a thing up here. I'll see what item it gives. It gives instant mine steal.
Oh yeah, there's places mines everywhere. It's not that bad. It's good against the worm. It's really good against infection, but I just like instant free heals. Is that all the items?
Yeah. Yeah, that's everything.
Alright, wait for boss.
Yeah.
I hope it's worms, because we can kill. Okay. It wasn't worms.
This is terrifying.
We're good. Or, well, I'm good. Can I hit the bosses? I didn't hit those guys. Oh my god. My health went for. Let me see if we punch the boss.
I gotta back
punched-
down for a minute.
I punched the boss, but it doesn't push him back. It's stupid the bombs don't hurt the enemies.
Yeah, I kind of assumed they would have.
Oh, that's your healing drone. Need to get your
Go straight for Colossus. Just wait till the bosses are left.
Yeah. Alright, 11 enemies though. That's good enough. Okay. Oh, how many items do you have?
I have 4.
I have 5. You can get that.
It's probably good for me anyhow since I deal so many. If you give me a second, I'll have well, yeah,
There's only one enemy left. He's left.
yeah, 10 seconds and I can kill him.
I don't know if your missile will go that far. We'll see. Test it for science.
Meow.
Cool. when I get enough money.
There's a boss spawner.
Yeah. Ooh, another good thing. God damn. Fucking Armageddon up in this bitch whenever you kill one enemy.
Are you getting this or am I?
I'm getting the healing drone first. I don't have the money to, there, mind.
Oh, I don't know what item that is.
I don't know either. I got one earlier, but I didn't have time to read it. Jesus, dude. This is what you
Kills
wanted.
temporarily. It's so nice.
Okay, I have healing drone now. Careful, guy, your health's pretty low. Oh, extra jump.
Oh shit, I didn't mean to grab that. Here are the next 2 items you can get.
I have 5 items right now. Ow, fall down. Okay, I can't block fire damage. Noted.
I don't want to die.
It's not that far. Attack faster at lower health. Don't mind if I do. You gotta climb the rope, jump to the next rope, climb the rope, jump to the next rope, climb the rope. Happy birthday. Free enemies. Oh, fuck, I'm backwards. Oh, my health and your health, watch out. Excuse me. Ooh,
Made it too far to die.
increase health regeneration rate. Don't get the middle one, that's one you don't like. The right one's nice, I think you get healing as you damage enemies. It's something to have to do with healing.
Heal after kills. Yeah.
Yeah, it's better than nothing. Ooh, another equipment. I'll get it just because. It is the waste your money for damage thing. Nice, double mount. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items.
You can get that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You can get the number 2.
Oh, that's the item I just unlocked. Drop spike strips on hit. I didn't get to read all of it. Oh, there's a little mountain, or not mountain, a little gambling thing up here. Oh, cool. Okay, the thing I just got, it drops a spike strip when I get hit, and if the enemy gets hit by it, they get stuck in place. And I am now poor.
I'll do it
I'm wasting all my money on it.
if I don't die.
Here, use this real quick. Use that item. Press Y, or whatever it says on it, and use it, and then drop it.
I can't.
Oh, does that pull down?
Yeah.
That's fine. Just hold on to it till you can use it so you can get health.
Well, I'll be good. I'm at half.
Spawn those runs. $1,000. I said we go on and get other shit. Oh, never mind. That's the last one. Fucking Armageddon. I can't block that shit either.
Do we have to go up for the boss?
We passed the boss on the way here, I think. Maybe? I think it's wrong here. I want to get this eventually.
I can get this.
Thieving guys there too.
Didn't drop anything, but I got it.
More money required.
Oh, come down here. A lot of people.
Wait here, I want to test something. I want to test something real quick.
Ooh, another
Damn it.
mountain.
Yeah, here. I'm trying to get him to hit me while I block. Let's see if my ability activates. it does. So even if I block the damage, I think it'll still drop the spike strips.
Hey, think what you want. I don't have $2,000.
I don't either. I need 900 more. I don't know where the boss spawner is.
Nothing over here. I think it's up top. No?
Maybe it's down under right here then? No, that's a mountain. Maybe we did pass it. Try to find real quick.
Oh god, I fucked with the wrong guy.
It is now harder. Yeah, but no, that's the spawner. Where the fuck is the goddamn boss?
I think it's just over here.
Well, we already hit furthest right as we could go. Unless it was like up right or down right or some shit.
Oh god, I'm gonna die. Coming to you. Probably on the bottom and we just missed it.
Ow, bombs.
Yep,
better die.
Cool. Dodge 7 lethal attacks. I got an achievement.
Yeah, dude, I don't know what the fuck it is. We had to have passed without realizing.
I died. I got quick scope. That's not fair.
I can't find this.
And you have to fight 8 bosses.
I can't find.
Oh, there's a log over here.
Yeah, I can't grab it anyway. I can't find the fucking boss spawner, dude.
I can't grab it either.
Dude, you're like infinitely faster than I am. Find the boss spawner for me. Alt-I simmy, same spot.
See where my drone's at?
That's where it is.
Yeah. Okay. Near the top. Yeah, and you got three mountains. Or whatever the fuck they're called. Yeah, so that's 1, 2, 4, 8 bosses. Yikes. You're gonna die.
Nah. I have a healing item.
Hey, stop that!
From where I am. Okay, I can't. I'm just gonna spawn them immediately. Oh, yeah, those guys are really fucking bad.
How many are there?
If it was
3?
worms, it would have been that bad. I think they're inside of each other, so it's kind of hard to tell.
Don't worry, I'm camping them. I'll slowly deal damage to them over time. Whoa, amazing gameplay, guys.
Hey, you do with what you have. I'm gonna die though, because these bombs kill you.
I'm dealing a lot of damage, don't worry.
Directly on top. Yeah, you're actually doing 0 damage. Oh, well, you're not fighting boss.
Not anymore. Came over here to help you.
Okay, I gotta get out of there and fight. I mean, I guess I could just wait.
Hey, teleporting child. Stop that. Probably benefiting you a decent amount.
27 enemies remaining. Good. Question is, can I block these guys' damage? I can't knock them back, so that's okay. That's awesome.
I've got their attention.
I can block that AoE in the ground. Yeah, I'm good. I can protect against all this damage.
I'm also keeping like 2 of them off of you.
I don't take damage. I actually can 100% block their attack. It's really nice. Oh, items. What does this do? Blueprint. Oh, I didn't absorb that though. That fucking hurt. I am no longer blocking the game for some reason. I am gonna die. I have my healing drones in a position that can't take damage, so I'm just gonna have them heal me.
I'm dealing some damage, don't worry.
This sound is so loud. Is that a 15%? Taking damage from the fucking fire on the ground. This bastard's cheap fucking ground shit. There. I almost burned to death right there. I spun. Okay. There's still more to be killed. Are they up top? I can't tell. Yeah, there's some over here. I'm going after them.
I have $82,200.
I have 6,800. I'm gonna go back to buy that thing we never got to buy. I'm actively killing a fire golem who's... God, he's fucking tanky. Are you still able to interact with the teleporter, you think?
I'm on it. I can't.
Well, I mean, it's not able to yet. I just mean, like, curious if you'd be able to in general. These fucking fire assholes hurt. Okay, they're all dead. Let me go buy the last thing. 7,532. It's worth 1,900. I got it. It's the item that attacking enemies heals you. Nice. I was unaware you could climb the trees. I knew you could climb some of them, and I didn't even climb all of them. I just turned myself. I'm gonna go down under. To the next area. Oh, this is the underwater area. You can get Beast here. But I believe he's on far right, I think. Far right top. If this is anything like our screen one, which it should be. Holy shit, dude. Where are you, Cody? We need to get together.
I am dying.
This fucker do way too much damage. I'm floating down to you. Keep backing up, keep backing up. You left me, you bastard. Wall is safe. Just stay behind me as best you can.
I'm going to die.
Yeah, it's because of the bombs, Cody. This is what you wanted. This is all on you. I am running. Here, grab that healer drone when you get enough money. I do not like that jumping closes or boosts my shield. Oh, wait. Oh, hello, mini boss. How are you? Yeah, I'm on a run, Cody. I can only try so much when there's literally a boss following me around. Goodbye, Cody.
No.
Very dangerous.
Yeah, bombs were a bad option.
Yeah.
Time to go explore for the other artifact. I found it. I got it. Find 3 more to unlock this artifact.
Yeah, that's the shard. God damn it, I fell again. I keep falling because this fucking stupid, what are you called? A jellyfish keeps following me around.
Find 3 more shards, huh?
Oh, well, I just teleported an area I didn't want to teleport to.
Oop, I found a log.
Found the boss spawner.
How are you supposed to even get to that?
Extra jumps. Since you're in the water, you
No, you
float
have to go. You have to go under the water. Like you physically have to go like under the map to get it.
Yeah, well, there's... Yeah, I know what you're talking about. If it's anything like the one that I remember from Richmond 1, it's like there's like a little tiny little spot that you can... I'm about to die. You can...
No, don't die.
You can get under it. Well, you're not helping, Cody. You're exploring.
I'm trying to get us the artifact.
Yeah, it could be useless though. Well, I found out how to get the logbook. I just haven't gotten it because I'm infinitely falling.
I think I found out how to get it.
The logbook? Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm falling in here too.
I cannot get it.
I fell directly in the hole. It doesn't help there's 4 billion fucking mushroom bastards, or crab bastards falling right now. Yeah, fuck this. I don't give a shit about the logbook. I care more about living right now.
I will continue going to look for shards.
I want to get fucking the beast. The beast should be top right of the area. Very top right.
I didn't see anything up here.
It's like a cage that you can click and he comes out.
I mean,
And risk room 1 anyway. way.
Statues here. Yeah, no, it's not here. No
I need to kill
cage.
this- I need to kill this fucking boss bitch.
What is that? Oh. Yeah, I think that's the only artifact fragment here. There's shard, even. I'm not seeing any others.
This shit is by no means easy.
It's kind of hard.
Thank God, I finally killed him. And then 2 more mini bosses spawn as soon as I kill him. At least they're on that side, and I'm on this side.
Ten, 20, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 20, 10, 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 20, 10, 10, 10. I'll keep the ones behind you off aggro.
Get him close to the ledge so I can push them all off. Please. There. I guess I'm just gonna go to the spawner. There wasn't that much items here. Like, at all. Oh, there's some.
There's a lot top right. There's like a lot of them top right. There's like gambling and all that.
Top right? I can't even get to top right. There's nothing to get to. It's like have enough jumps or don't get it.
You have to go all the way there from the bottom. Just go to the right and travel up.
I am in the water and I am going to the right. Searching, searching. I am climbing vine. There is a wall. I'm
Like,
going
do you see where I'm at?
further
There's
down.
a chest right here and a drone.
Oh, well, you said right. I'm as right as you can be.
Well, there are things right. I'm just saying, like right here, there's stuff. I'll just go to all the loot locations.
I'm gonna try to get this stupid fucking lore piece right here. There. Sunken tombs.
There's this is also a thing right above you, but yeah, go over
Yeah, I
here.
can't get over there, like I said. There's no way to climb
There's
up
a
from
giant ladder.
this side. I'm not seeing the ladder. I have a jet thingy, and that's as far as I can go.
You gotta get over here on that thing. And go up. And then if you come over this way,
I'm poor. And there isn't anything up there that looks like a cage?
nope. You can just get down to the artifact thing from right here. There's a hole.
Could be the other side then, I don't know. Just down here. Is there anything down here? That's where I got up from. Yeah, it is difficulty, I see you. More mini boss spawns. More jetpack.
Nice.
Yeah, I gotta go to the boss now. I gotta loop around though. I think. Anything up there? No. There's that thing. All it does is use the item. Oh, there's a shrine. RNG really to be a bitch right now. Oh, red item.
Hey.
There's a coil. Shock nearby enemies. Very nice. Mini boss don't care about you really.
I'll kill him in about a minute. There's 2 of them now.
So be it. I'm gonna go and spawn main boss. Should be not right there. Right. Where are you? Where the fuck is it? I really wish if you just like found it, it would mark it. That'd be cool. So I don't do fucking 30,000 laps on a map that I shouldn't have to do laps in. Oh, History died. Help me find the boss spawner, please. I can't find it.
You go straight, and then you go down at the bottom, and then down there, and then down that way. It's right here.
I am coming slowly. Ah, back up. Gotcha. I passed right by it without even noticing it. Ah, giant hit. That, oh my god, all my health. Have to push all these fuckers off the ledge. I died.
Oh.
I unlocked the hoof because
Hey.
I failed a shrine 3 times.
Prophet's Cape.
Still haven't unlocked any abilities for the characters yet.
Well, I hope you all enjoyed watching Draven Simulator. Bye.
See ya.